After the wonderful time spent here in Kudori, amidst the snowfall and a snow fight, I and my husband left for Kazbegi. Hi guys, hope you're doing fine, and we are on our way to Kazbegi, and it's snowing outside. Here is my husband.
Hi. So Kudori, fun facts about the whole place. Kudori was the highest peak. It's 2080 feet from the sea level, and now we're steeping down towards Kazbegi. So Kazbegi is about 1,125.
Yep.
So that's the so the highest, the coldest area was between Kudori and Kazbegi. So now it'll start going down, and the temperature is going to go high. So,
0, yeah. Temperature right now is 0 degrees.
Right now 0, yeah.
Yes.
We were at minus 0.5.
Yep.
So it'll slowly start increasing. We'll go to 2, 3, and then eventually 8 is the temperature on the land.
Yes. So okay guys, see you once we reach at Kazbegi. Guys, we have reached Kazbegi and we just stopped to have some coffee at this very small and cute coffee shop. It's basically a restaurant also. It's called Cafe Restaurant Kazbegi. Let me show you. And my baby is planning to order some coffee, right baby? Alright. We'll have some coffee and then we'll walk around the city, and I think yeah, that should be all for today. We are planning to leave early from this place because there is a weather forecast of thunderstorm and all of that, so perhaps better to leave early. That's Church Trinity, guys, as you can see up the hill, and this is a small town of Kazbegi. Okay, so this the church that you saw, it's Holy Trinity Church. It was built in 13th century, and it is the highest one of a kind in the entire Georgia. We can say that.
Not a favorable.
We have decided to go back to Tbilisi to our accommodation, rather guest house, because the weather condition is not favorable at all to go up the hill, and it's already going to be 4 p.m. now, and we thought it's better that we return to the city.
It's a good 3-hour drive. So
yeah, it will take us 3 hours. Perhaps we'll return here another time, only to do a Kazbegi tour. Yeah. We really thought it would be a good idea to leave this place as early as possible because of the thunderstorm predicted. Secondly, it was too far from Tbilisi. It was precisely 3 hours drive to the Tbilisi city center. And thirdly, my health was not at all good, guys. Because of the turns and twists in the hilly area, the uphill, the downhill we went, I felt so ill and sick, and I almost threw up. So my health condition was not good too to continue the journey further ahead to the uphill of Kazbegi. So well, as they say never. Hopefully we'll return to Kazbegi next time, and very soon.
today. We've come back all the way from Kazbegi, and it was an amazing evening. We went right on the top of the hill. We saw Guadya. What?
I forgot the name.
Okay. And it was amazing. The experience was beautiful.
Actually,
Kazbegi, usually we would prefer that if you can take 2 days off, stay there, because you can go for mountain hiking, you can go for paragliding, you can do a lot of adventure sports there.
yes.
So, our recommendation would be to actually book a room there, at least for 2 days, minimum 2 to 3 days. Have fun there and then come back to Tbilisi and then have your fun over here.
Absolutely. So, since I'm so happy that my husband covered the introductory part, and I was actually going to say that, guys, we are back to a guest house, and now we are super hungry. It's around 6:30 in the evening, right, baby?
Yeah.
And we are just going to our nearby area to have Italian food. We are craving for Italian today.
Yeah, we've had a lot of Georgian food
Yes.
for the past 7 days. From Kachipuri to
Kinkali.
from Kinkali and Chinchkela.
Yeah.
We've tried everything.
Everything. We tried everything, whatever people have recommended. We did our own research on YouTube. So we did that. So
let's
it's
cover
time
some
for
Italian today.
Italian food as well. So let's get going. I think guys we'll call it a night after our dinner, right baby?
Yeah.
We have things to do before we depart for our respective countries tomorrow. We'll just finish our dinner, wind up, and then that's it. Bye. Post dinner, we passed by at a nearby grocery store to pack us some midnight snacks and also our favorite chocolate caramel cookies, which we showed you in the last episode. Yeah, these ones. Next, we went to do our PCR test before departure because it was only 2 days left to leave Georgia.
You guys come here for the PCR. They're very good and very clean and hygienic.
Okay, baby, thank you. I like it when my husband takes over for the dialogues. We? Hi! और ये है उसकी mom. Thus, our night ended with some midnight snacking and movie.